Welcome back to Maple Motors, guys. Today, we got two cars sitting up here. We're gonna be doing a test drive on one of them. Probably gonna be taking off in this 1970 Coronet. Supposed to have a 440 up under the hood. You know, I had to set these right next to each other though. We don't get a whole lot of Mopars, or at least I'm able to video them. It's a 1969 Coronet. 440 in it. We did take a hold on this one already before it even hit the website. Somebody was driving down the road and seen this sitting out there, but it's not completely sold yet. Just be watching our website for it to become available. If it does not, that means it's leaving out. But I'm doing test drives on both of these cars today, and in this video we're taking off in this one. All right, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Look around inside this car here. Gotta check everything out. Feels pretty good. The engine temp's coming up. It's right at about 150 right now. Oil pressure's on the dash at 80. I don't think this radio works. Or maybe it does. It works. Pretty old school. Go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works. We got the wipers on the dash here. They're coming up. You gotta play that game though. Look, cut them off. Try the horn. You ready? Yeah. We got a lot of working horns. Steering feels nice and smooth as we're pulling out of the parking lot. Anything that I see, I will point out. That way you know exactly what you're coming to buy here. I can't see to pull out, but there we go. Looks like our RPMs are coming up on the tack. It's showing 47,000 miles. I can't stand behind that. The gas gauge is right on quarter tank. Let's take off. Steering's nice and tight. Shifting out good. Speedometer's coming up. It is working. Kickdown's hooked up on this one. Carb was popping a little bit. Still set me back in the seat. Let's try the brakes. Brakes feel good. Suspension's not bad. Any kind of Dodge I've ever gotten in this year, the suspension was always a little stiff. I think that's just how they made them. So far so good on the test drive. I need to tighten this mirror up. It's worthless right now. Can't see anything out of it. If it'll stay right there, I'll be all right. Turn signal, it's gonna need to be replaced. You can hold it up and it blinks on the dash, but you have to hold it up. This steering really is silky. It's just smooth. Really nice. notice it was very light. Alright, I'm gonna pull up in this parking lot here, get some outside shots, go ahead and I may go ahead and do the walk around video. You can see all the equipment that I use in a link below. Look at the description and it'll give you more details on our website and stuff. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information. Gonna set y'all off in the driver's seat now. I think I'm getting this angle down here. Hopefully, scoot you down a little bit more. Oh my gosh, my hair is getting crazy. About to have to go get another haircut. This thing, we've been rolling around the parking lot and everything's been good. 180 on the temperature. Man, I like the way this thing runs and drives, honestly. It's fast. Everything's nice and smooth. Look how low that idle gets. That sounds good. It just don't cut out. She just keeps holding on. Sorry if I'm turning my head too much. There's lots of traffic, and I don't want to wreck this one. A little bit of a tire rub in the back, like I said before. Get on the brakes a little bit here. They stop decently fast. Thing I let out, Mr. Policeman. We're gonna turn on this road right here, kind of check the suspension, listen for any rattles. There's a big old bump down here that I like to hit, and it works out perfect for that. Hear that tire rubbing back here in the back? It's on both sides. Looks like the tires are too big. They look so good on here. The bump's right here in the road. Tell you what, the suspension's not that bad in this one. It feels ultra smooth compared to most of the Dodges that I've been driving. Still got to hold that turn signal switch up. We're going to turn into the lot here. I'm going to do a walk around on this car, point out any flaws that I see. Are you looking for that video? Lovely, lovely. I do appreciate you riding along with me in all of these videos. I want you to check out maplemotors.com if you're interested in buying this, because I have financing and shipping options on there. You can also see all of our inventory. We update all the time, every Monday with fresh inventory. All American muscle cars. Last but not least, if you like this channel, you like these videos, hit that subscribe button. I try to post them every day. It helps me out a lot if you share them too, guys. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.